Hi guys, in this video I'm going to share with you the blueberriest of blueberry muffin recipes. This recipe is dairy and egg free, but you'd never know it. These muffins bake up soft and moist and make the perfect breakfast treat. The secret to the extra blueberryness of these muffins is their fresh blueberry swirl. This burst of blueberry flavor only takes a few extra minutes to prepare, but makes all the difference in the world in their over-the-top blueberry flavor. The jam is simple. Just add 1 cup of blueberries and a teaspoon of sugar to a small pan. Crush the blueberries and cook until they turn into a thick jam-like consistency. Then set aside to cool. Zest and juice 1 lemon. We'll add the zest to the batter later, and we'll add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to 1 cup of almond milk. This will create our plant-based buttermilk. Let this rest while you prepare the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, add 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give this a good stir. Then add 1 cup of blueberries and the lemon rind. Adding the blueberries to the dry mixture and letting them get coated with flour helps keep them from sinking to the bottom of your baked muffins. In another bowl, mix the wet ingredients. In this recipe, I'm using 6 tablespoons of flax egg in place of 2 eggs. The flax eggs are made by boiling flax seeds and straining off the liquid. I'll link the video on how to make flax eggs in the description below. To the flax eggs, add 1 cup of sugar and whisk until well blended. Then whisk in a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 4 tablespoons of melted plant-based butter. The flax eggs have a gel-like consistency and they won't mix well with the oil and butter, but once the almond milk is added, it helps break up the gel. Oops, almost forgot the vanilla. I'm adding 2 tablespoons here. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients, then pour in the wet ingredients. Fold the batter just until moistened. The batter will be very lumpy and that's okay. It's important not to overmix the batter or your muffins will be tough. Scoop the batter into 12 muffin cups. I'm trying out some homemade tulip-style liners here. It's a little more work making your own liners, but it's so worth the extra effort. Your muffins come out looking like they came from a fancy coffee shop, and best of all, they don't stick to the liners. There's nothing worse than leaving half your muffins stuck to the liner. I'll link the video above on how I made these. Now take the cooked and cooled blueberry jam and divide it evenly among the muffins, then swirl the jam in with a chopstick or a skewer. I like to top my muffins with turbinado sugar to give them an extra sweet crunch on top. Place the muffin pans into a preheated 425-degree oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool in their pans for 5 minutes. Then remove them from the pans and cool on a wire rack. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.